one's very unique looking. It's got a black face and white mane. It's really neat. I found this at a garage sale.
There's one here too.
That is crazy.
That's funny.
Instant greenhouse.
Yeah.
It really is an instant greenhouse, right? That's pretty bad.
Totally.
And it doesn't look bad either.
No, it doesn't. It looks cool.
Puppy, hi.
Yeah.
They're getting big.
Mom's going crazy because she can't get through the same way that
You gotta come this way.
Out this way. You're going the wrong way.
She's panicking.
Going nuts.
She's panicking.
Like, move it around. There was big worms in there.
She's like, I need those babies. So it has two mamas still? They have two mamas?
Yeah. See, there's two mamas sitting on there chicken eggs. It's the
Oh,
black
yeah.
one and the white one.
That's funny.
A lot of the eggs are the baby eggs. They're the little eggs, the
Yeah.
tiny ones. So they're the chickens, the newer chickens that are laying crazy. They're laying daily, at least once or twice.
Do they do that all year round, or is it just this time of
just
year?
while the sun's out. The top of its head is completely, all the feathers are out because it got attacked by a coyote.
And he survived.
Yeah, and he survived. That's why
Wow.
we're going to keep him as the rooster, because he actually was able to fend off the coyote.
And he's awesome.
Nice.
Yeah, he's so cute.
He's so handsome.
These ones
By
are
himself.
3 years old.
Yeah, these guys are bigger.
Those ones are 3 years old. The other ones, the other two are 2.
Colors
She's
are
3.
amazing.
Aren't they?
I like this goat.
So this morning I come out here.
George, go home. George, get out of there. You don't listen. So if our bedroom is right here, where we're standing, the windows, this is the view. Hi, Hendrix. What are you doing? Daisy, come with Mama. Come with me. That's Joseph. Don't worry about that. He must have gone really far. It is really dark, too. Ooh. Stepping in wet stuff. Where is he? Oof, I'm stepping in some boggy stuff.
Let's walk down to the stairs down here and check on the boy.
Okay. You see him?
Look how beautiful, man.
Yeah, I know. I got some good shots of them
Gorgeous.
flying around.
Gorgeous. How many times have you lived by the ocean?
All through my childhood, I lived by the ocean. You see him?
He said the geese are flying around him.
Where?
They just flew through, so he's got to
Oh.
be way up over there.
He's probably around here.
Yeah, that makes sense.
'Cause that's where the
He's
geese.
howling, listen.
Cars are too loud. Oh my god! You scared the craps out of me. Stop it. On my ears right here. Jesus Christ. Shh. The people are right here. You weirdo. Look how red it is down there. It's so red. I don't know if I can pick that up with the camera. So red in the distance there.
at the bat out there. I've never seen bats out there.
Where?
He's skimming the water. There's a few of them actually. Wow.
Not for bats. Because bats would be soft and weird.
But to get him a little LED light or something that he can put on his boat so that we can just spot him right away.
Well, he has a light on his phone. He could turn that on.
Sure, but I'm saying like something legit that's like kind of a beacon that we can see in the water.
Like a headlamp.
Kind of blends into the.
You should wear a headlamp so he can see what's going on in front
Well,
of him.
a headlamp really won't work because you can only see it in one direction, right?
Yeah, he just turns his head toward us.
Anyway, I'm gonna get him a little light for the back of his boat to keep it on there.
No, this is a pretty crazy harbor. It's cool. It's got a lot of ecosystem.
It's gorgeous. So you were asking, is it famous? It's famous for National Geographic photographers, for deep water ocean-faring birds to come through to be seen.
I should go there.
That's a strange direction to go on the paddleboard.
It's shallow over there, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's all shallow. But I'm just saying, like, the road's right here. For me, I'm more interested in going out and then to the right. And then went left.
He did?
Yeah.
I don't think he's been there before, so.
Been where? There?
To the left, I think he always goes to the right, right?
Yeah, he has not been out there before. That's true. I never choose to go by the road. I don't like the road. That's why I love it. I mean, I'm okay with it. It's how we get here, but.
Look at the geese. Keep flying by. They're so cool.